In this video, we will discuss how to set up video triggers as well as Bluetooth on our Generation 4 display. In order to set up video triggers, if our machine is equipped with cameras, select the menu button, select Applications, scroll down to the video icon. If you have a machine with active vision cameras, camera 1 will be designated for that camera feed. We can utilize feeds 2, 3, and 4 for additional cameras. You can see if I go to camera 2, you can see I get a blank screen because there is not a video currently hooked up to this machine. If you would like to set up video triggers, select Edit Triggers. In this case, we will imagine that we have a rear camera on the back of the machine and we would like it to come on when we put the machine into reverse. So I'll scroll down and we can see I have reverse with the separator on as well as reverse with the separator off. I would like to turn both of those on. Simply select and then assign to a camera feed. If my rear camera was on camera 2, select camera 2. Then you can choose your timeout. If you would like the camera to turn off as soon as you put the machine back into forward gear, select auto. If you would like it to stay on for a predetermined number of seconds after the machine is in forward gear, you could select that as well. In most cases, auto will work best. Once selected, go ahead and close out, and then go ahead and set up reverse separator off the same way, assign to camera 2, leave the timeout on auto. If I had a grain tank mounted camera I wanted to use as well, that was on video feed number 3, I could go into grain tank full and set that to camera number 3. Once my video triggers are set up, simply close out. The next feature we will discuss is Bluetooth setup. If you would like to set up Bluetooth with your phone, select Menu, select Phone, then select Pair Device. At this point, you will see a pairing code. Simply turn the Bluetooth discovery on your phone, enter the pairing code, and then the pairing will be complete.